Introducing Business Cleaning, where cleanliness meets professionalism. In a world where cleanliness is paramount, we are here to make a difference. At Business Cleaning, we don't just clean, we elevate hygiene standards to foster healthier, safer environments for your business and home. Why choose us? It's not just about the meticulous cleaning, but our unwavering commitment to excellence. Our dedicated team of professionals ensures no corner is left untouched. We're your partners in cleanliness, working tirelessly to maintain pristine surroundings so you can focus on what truly matters. From office spaces to residential havens, our expertise transcends boundaries. We're more than just a cleaning service. We're the custodians of your well-being. Our eco-friendly practices contribute to a sustainable future, and our customer-centric approach guarantees your satisfaction. Unburden yourself from cleaning worries. Let us handle the dirt while you enjoy a spotless, worry-free life. Welcome to Business Cleaning, where every space is a clean space. The most important takeaways from the OneShot Business Acceleration Program are understanding the target market. The program stresses the significance of a clear value proposition and in-depth market research. Knowing your customers and their needs is foundational to success. Other takeaways are refining business strategies, networking and connections, and the adaptability and responsiveness. Being open to learning, adapting, and pivoting based on feedback is crucial. This flexibility can significantly impact a business's success. So, the program provides invaluable insights to these key areas, which have added significant value to my business endeavors. I would highly recommend this program to other entrepreneurs because it has provided me with valuable insights, knowledge, and networking opportunities that have been instrumental in enhancing my business. The emphasis on market research, strategy development, adaptability, and fostering strong connections has proven to be incredibly beneficial. I believe that this program can help other entrepreneurs accelerate their businesses and achieve their goals more effectively.